Hello YouTube, welcome to our video. We are How to Hosting Guide, and this is our one of the latest hosting deals videos. This video will cover if a web hosting company provides a good deal and if this deal is actually worth it and what actually do you end up paying. So let's begin. Okay guys, today on the menu is HostArmada's latest deals. They offer, as any other globally developed web hosting company, a very good deal, especially on the shared and WordPress hosting. This is 75% off of their price, which is very good. This is close as possible to HostingGear. They offer 70 something percent off as well. I think 75 or 79, I'm not sure. The reseller hosting and virtual servers and dedicated CPU are also off here, which is a very good thing. And let's see what the shared and WordPress hosting will cost you with their plans. Wow, we have here $249 a month for NGINX powered servers, which is a startup plan, to remind you. And these $249 a month are discounted from $995 a month, which is a bit of high, but the regular price. But the discount is very good. This is better than UltraHost and HostingGear. This price is very good for a month. Let's see what does it include, and is it actually a good deal, and do you actually pay $249 a month? What does it include? First of all, it doesn't have dynamic caching and spree ripper features, but it does have some cute little extras like malware scan and malware removal, and it also has the most important thing for any website, which is a free SSL certificate that is included. We can see here that they have heavily accented on security, which is good. They offer 7 daily backups. This is very good. This is a good deal. Let's see how much do you exactly pay. Let's register some domain here. First year is free for the domain. Wow, this is kind of cool. Okay, I didn't expect that one. The other hosting companies do not have that one, guys. This is very good deal. Okay, let's see here. The bad thing here is that if you want to get the best price, which is $249, which is probably what I've seen so far the best price ever, you have to pay for 36 months. You have to pay for 3 years. That's the only bad thing. But you also get a free domain, which is a plus. So I would still buy that. Biannually, with this plan you also get a very good value. Mind you, HostingGear, which are one of the best companies, they offer for their 2 years plan $280 a month. And yeah, these plans are pretty good, and the features they have are very nice. With the only difference is that HostingGear offers WooCommerce installed in their basic plan. But yeah, so they're, as you can see here, a global company. So if you're located in those continents, these are the locations where you can get a server. So if you're if you want a data center in Frankfurt, for example, you just choose this one. They have made it very easy to go through the purchase process. And let's keep. Okay, you have an accessible integration, which requires an additional purchase, but they have added it for free for some reason. Okay, that's weird. I don't like those add-ons, but whatever. Let's see, what do we have here? Privacy protection. Oh, they want to charge us extra for privacy protection. That's $465. I don't quite agree with that thing. Okay, so the total is whoa. Oh yeah, it makes sense because it's for 3 years, and when you get the discount it makes even more sense. Okay, so you pay less. Guys, and welcome to one of our latest deals videos where we gather to discuss the latest deals of most web hosting providers, what are their hidden prices, and what actually do you pay? What actually do you end up paying? Because we all see these low prices, but in reality, the situation may be quite different. Today on the menu is StablePoint, a world-known hosting provider, and we're gonna check out its web hosting deals. Let's see here. They have 49 pennies a month. That's British pounds. However, this is for the free domain and hosting for 6 months. Okay, this is a good deal. But let's see, I'm more interested in their basic starter plans. Let's see the Go plan. This is their smallest plan, and it's valued at £199 per month, which maybe in euro it's probably let's see, it's probably 2 something euros. I don't know. This price is, when you compare it to other hosting providers, it's quite normal. It's a good price. I would say it's a good price for a month. But more importantly is, what do you get out of this price from the Go plan they offer? We have one website here. We have 1 gigabytes of NVMe SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth. 1 gigabyte is very low. Most hosting providers for shared hosting, they do offer somewhere between 10 and 30 gigabytes. I mean, this is very low. I don't, I mean, the price is also on the low side, which kind of makes sense, but 1 gigabyte, you have to really, it's really for a basic website. Let's see how much do we end up paying here. If we go here and select, let's see euros. If we select euros, we see here that we had 249 euros a month, as I said. And if we are billed for 3 years, we pay 62 euros. That's a really good price. This is a very, very good price. For if you pay this price for 3 years, you get 174 euros a month. This is insane. This is, I'm just saying, you might get 1 gigabyte of storage, but this price, you can't beat it. This is a good price for a basic website. So if you're in a market for a basic website, just a blog, what have you not, or personal website for your service, this is a good 3-year plan. This is a good value for money right here. We see here that they have location. Oh, and you can also see it in United States dollars as well. Let's see here. In USD, that would be $2 a month, and of course here would be $75, which is good. This is for 3 years. Let's $56 was the price of hosting. They're one of the best companies in the world, which is currently a market leader, I presume. They offer it for $56. So basically this deal is one of the best here. And as you can see here, they have servers not only in Europe but in US East and Central, in the UK. You have also servers in Asia, in the Latin America countries, and yeah, pretty good. Let's see, however, if I try a new domain, how much will that set me back? Because the domains are usually offered as an extra payment for these deals. We get about $12 for this domain. Let's register it and add this to cart. Let's choose a server in US East, and let's see how much will we end up paying. Okay, so the total here is $90. It's a good deal. If I have to sum this video up, I would certainly say that this is a deal that I would recommend. Of course, you have the tax. Without the tax, this is basically $75. For 3 years, I would say I would certainly go for this deal. Yeah. I would certainly go for this deal. StablePoint offers a good quality service with fast servers, so you won't make a mistake by choosing them. So for a 3-year plan and a basic website, I just have to remind you, basic website, not a blog, just a completely basic website that has 1 gigabyte of storage. Yeah, I would recommend them. This is a good deal. But anyways, this is how much we found out about StablePoint's deals, guys. And if you have chosen them before and you have experience with them and their deals, or just wanna leave your opinion about them, just leave us a comment down below and we'll try to respond as quickly as we can. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, today on the menu is Hostinger. As you can see here, they offer the biggest ever Black Friday sale, including free domain, free migration if you have another hosting provider, and 24/7 customer support. So it all sounds great, and you get up to 79% off, but as it says here, $249 a month, we have to check if this is really so. So let's see. We see here that the $249 is for the premium plan, which is something like a startup plan, and when you renew the plan, the cost becomes $799 a month. So you have to be mindful of that. And the good thing is that they give you 3 months for free, which is awesome, especially if you're on a budget. Okay, also that $249 is only if you pay in advance for 2 years. So you pay them for 2 years, you get 3 months free, which is extra discount, and you get $249 a month. What does this plan include though? As we can see, it includes all the standard stuff. You get a lot of storage as well. You get WooCommerce, which is good. And you also get CDN, dedicated IP address. You don't get those stuff. You don't get priority support. You don't get on-demand backup, object cache, WordPress staging tool, Amazon affiliate, WordPress plugin. And you don't get their AI website creation tools, which I have tried by the way, and they look kind of good. They can do a lot of work that you'd otherwise manually have to do, so they are kind of a grab go. Also, if we go down here, let's see, yeah, you get 40 PHP workers and of course the unlimited bandwidth, which is a good thing. Yeah, but the plan, let's choose this one. Yeah, the plan is this price only if you pay the whole price for 48 months. And after those 48 months, you can renew the plan and the price is much higher. So you need to be mindful of those 48 months when you go for Hostinger web hosting. Overall, they're a good company. They're one of the best out there. They offer absolutely fast speeds. And they have global servers, so wherever you're located, this is a good choice. As you can see here, if I go over to 12 months, the price becomes immediately more expensive. You get 75% discount still, but the best deal, the best offer that you will get is probably the 24 months one. I would personally go for the business plan, which is $349, because it gives you a lot more features plus a free CDN, which optimizes your website speed and will put your website higher in terms of SEO rankings on the search engines. And this is it for Hostinger, guys. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching us, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and this way you support our channel to grow.
Hello YouTube, and welcome to our latest deals videos where we discuss the latest web hosting deals of different companies. Today we'll be talking about A2 Hosting. The deals that they offer are 76% off. This is a bit higher than the average, in the industry average of web hosting providers in general. In the same time, their old price is $12.99, which is a bit higher. So with that 76% off, you actually end up paying $2.99, which is a bit higher than the standard in the business, as most companies offer somewhere between the range of 240 and 270 a month. However, let's see what this deal actually includes. Let's see. We have the get started. There they are. This is for shared hosting. Okay. But this is without WordPress. Interesting. This is just so basic shared hosting. No WordPress, nothing. With WordPress, you see the price here is quite big. This is too big. Even for WordPress hosting, I wouldn't recommend this one. But for shared hosting, this is a good price. Let's see, for shared hosting, what do they include here? Light speed, 10 gigabytes of storage. This is on the lower side, as most companies offer 20 and even 30 gigabytes of storage, and they have NVMe SSD, and whereas they offer NVMe only in their more expensive plans. This is just standard SSD. Light speed, okay. Free site migration, good. Automatic backups, good. And let's see what do we end up paying with this plan. Here we see the billing. This is for 3 years. This is for 3 years. You end up paying $107 instead of $359. This is a very good price for 3 years. But again, you don't get a lot of extras. You don't get WordPress. You have to install it yourself. And it's basic shared hosting. So would I recommend it for basic shared hosting? Yeah, definitely. This is a good deal. The price is normal in the industry, and on the plus side, you get tons of features. The storage is something that if I need storage, I would probably go for another company that offers similar deals, such as Hostinger or Utohost, because this storage is a bit on the lower side. But overall, no, I would recommend this deal. Yeah, it's a good deal. It's a good deal, but you end up paying a bit on the higher side. So yeah, but one thing that is good is that we're talking about A2 hosting here, one of the leaders in the hosting world, which provide really good service. So for the service that you're getting, this is a good price. It's okay. So yeah, basically this just about sums it up for A2 Hosting's deal. And that's it, guys. If you want to discuss anything in the comments about this company in particular, leave us a comment below and we'll try to answer it as soon as possible. Thank you.
Thanks for watching us, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and this way you support our channel to grow.